What better time than now? Right now, you can help the community of Mobile, Alabama complete this project for a free public skate park. Compared to most traditional sports, skateboarding is underserved in our area, and because Mobile does not have a skate park, most skateboarding is being done in the streets, which is dangerous and most times illegal. Your donation will help provide a fun, safe outdoor space for children and adults of all ages to experience and enjoy the exciting world of skateboarding. According to the Sporting Goods Manufacturers Association, there are an estimated 13 million skateboarders nationwide, and 94% of them are between the ages of 12 and 25. With thousands of kids in Mobile within this targeted age range for skateboarding, it's high time to introduce a free public skate park to our community. Skateboarding has millions of participants nationally, and it's still growing. It is a multi-million-dollar industry, and a well-built skate park can attract tourists from all over. The city of Mobile has been very generous in funding for this project. We just need a little more to bring it all together. We hope to help cover costs for any of the finishing touches our city funding cannot cover. Your donation will help solidify community support for Mobile's skateboard culture, and strong community support is the foundation for a successful skate park. With this added invested interest in the skate park, we hope to bring the Mobile skate scene to the next level, making Mobile a must-stop destination for Southern skateboarding. Every little bit helps, so please give what you can and become a proud supporter of the skate park of Mobile.